On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money promoting CPA offers. As you can see my dashboard on CPA Grip, you can see I got 1007 views, 506 clicks, 234 leads, and that made me $510.39. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money like this on CPA Grip. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come right here. Once you are here, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are offers that you can promote to earn money on CPA Grip. As you can see, a whole lot of them. But the country right here is United Kingdom. So what we are going to do is that we are going to find a country whereby we have a traffic source. So what you have to do is that just click on it so that you can search for the country that you have a traffic source. Because CPA offers, they are country specific. So you are not allowed to promote offers in one country to a different country. So what you have to do is that you have to search right here so that you can find the country that you have a traffic source. So in this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for Portugal. So just search for Portugal right here. Once you search for it, you can find offers here that you can promote to earn money on CPA Grip. As you can see, it is loading right now. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote in Portugal to make money on CPA Grip. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here. You're going to earn $2.05 per every lead that you get. You are not required to get sales. You only need your potential visitor to enter his or her details for you to earn this amount. They don't need to buy anything. They have to just enter their details as required here so that they can get access to the offer right here, so that you'll be earning the payout right here. As I scroll, you can see there are a lot of different offers that you can promote to people in Portugal so that you can be earning money on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here. If you are able to get people to enter their mobile numbers to receive a Fortnite game, you are going to earn $8.21. They don't need to buy anything. They have to just enter their mobile numbers and you are going to be earning this amount. You can see this one right here, $8.21. You can see this one right here, $2.05, and many more. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote to people in Portugal. You can see a whole lot of them. These offers, they are updated all the time. So there are times that you can even get offers that have up to $20 payout. You can see this one right here, $6.84. So a lot of offers are going to be added onto this platform so that you can promote them. And these ones, some of them are also going to be removed. So make sure you take action right now so that you can earn the money. You can see right here, they even have page 2. So when you click on it, you can find other offers to promote on this platform. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can promote one of these offers to people in Portugal so that you can be earning money. So the next thing is that we are going to select one of these products to promote so that we can be earning money on CPA Grip. So you have to scroll down and select any of them that you like. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. This is the offer that I promote. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to promote this offer right here. You can see the payout is $8.21. And you can see right here your potential visitor has to enter a PIN before they get access to a Fortnite game. So once they enter that, you are going to be earning $8.21. You can see right here, the offer is allowed on all mobile devices. You can see it right here. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link to promote the offer. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see it. If you don't understand the language, what you have to do is that you have to just copy it and then use Google Translate so that you can understand the language. So just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come on Google Translate. Just paste the text right here. Once you paste it, it is going to be translated here. As you can see, enter your mobile number now to get started. So this is a Fortnite game that the potential visitor has to enter the mobile number so that they can get access to the game for free. You can see it. So now you can see right here, this offer is only allowed on mobile devices. This offer is only allowed in Portugal. So you are not allowed to promote this offer to any person outside Portugal. So make sure you take note of that. Once you have more information about the offer, the next thing is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people from Portugal to enter the requirements so that you can be earning $8.21. So the next thing is that you are going to come on this website. I don't know how to pronounce it because everything is in Portuguese. So I will leave a link in the description box so that you can get access to this particular website. You can see all the information on this website is in Portuguese. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Just click on this particular icon. Once you click on it, you are going to select English so that everything will be translated to English. As you can see, it is now in English. It is a classified website that you can publish ads for free in Portugal. So you can see right here, free classified ads in Portugal. So you are going to be posting ads onto this platform so that you can get people in Portugal to complete the offer for you to make money on CPA Group. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 80% of the people who visit this website are from Portugal. You can see it right here. So you are going to be targeting the right audience so that they can take action for you to make money on CPA Group. So now what you have to do is that you have to start running your ads on this platform. You don't need to create an account. So just come right here, click on post an ad so that you can run an ad on this platform for free. Once you click on post an ad, you are going to see a page like this. So the next thing is that you are going to select a category that you want to promote the offer. So just click right here, select. Once you click on that, you are going to scroll down, come right here and then select services. Once you click on services, you are going to select the subcategory. So just click right here, select. Once you click on that, you are going to scroll down. As you can see right here, computer services. So just select that. Once you select that, you are going to click on continue so that you can continue with the rest of the details. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, they say localization. So that is simply the location. So if you want, just come back again and then translate the page. Just click on the icon, select English so that it will be translated. As you can see, it has been translated. Now you are going to select a location in Portugal. So just click right here so that you can select any location that you want. Once you click on that, you are going to select any location. You can see a lot of different cities that you can select in Portugal. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select the capital right here, Lisbon. You can select any location, it doesn't matter. Once that is done, you are going to select the sub location. So just click on it. You are going to select the same location, just click on it. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to paste the title of the ad right here. So just go back to CPA Group so that you can get the title of the offer. Once you come back on CPA Group, you can see this is the title, so just copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to send it back to your ad. So just come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to write a description for your ad. So you have to just write some brief information about the offer. You have to tell them what to do so that they can get access to the offer. As you can see, this is my simple description. This is what the viewers are going to see. You can see right here, please enter your information to get Fortnite Season 8 now before this offer expires. Copy and paste this link into your browser to get access now. So this is just a simple description telling them what they are supposed to do in order for them to get access to the offer. But you can see this language is in English and they don't understand English. So what you have to do is that you have to translate this text. So you just highlight and then cut everything. Once you cut everything, you are going to translate this particular sentence so that the people can understand. So what you have to do is that you have to use Google Translate so that you can translate the text from English to Portuguese so that they can understand what you are talking about. So once you come on Google, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, select the language. So in this case, we are going to select English. So just scroll down and then select English right here. Just scroll down, you can see this is English, select that. Once that is done, you can see right here, you are going to select the language. So just type Portuguese right here, you can see this is it. So now what you have to do is that you have to just paste your text right here. As you can see, that has been done and you can see this is the translation. Once your text is translated, you are going to come right here, click on copy so that you can copy your text. Once you copy your text, you are going to come back to the description and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to add your affiliate link so that anytime you get people to view your ad, they can take the action right here so that they can get access to the offers. So you have to just go back to CPA Group so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back on CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, copy link so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to shorten it because this link is too long. So you have to shorten it so that it can look nice. So just search for this website, bit.ly.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, you are going to click on shorten. As you can see, the link has been shortened. So just click right here, copy so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So you are going to scroll down and then continue with the rest of the details. So just come right here, you can see operation. So you are going to select that. You can see offered, so you are going to select that. Here you are going to select the price and it's going to be 00. As you can see, 00. So once that is done, you are going to add photos of the offer right here. You can see right here, add image. So you are going to add an image of the offer. So just come back to CPA Group. Once you come back on CPA Group, we are going to right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your PC. Once that is done, you are going to upload it right here. So just click on add image. Once you click on add image, you are going to see a page like this. Select choose files. Once you click on choose file, you are going to select your image. Click on open so that your image will be uploaded right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that click on upload so that the image will be uploaded. As you can see, this is the image. So the next thing is that you are going to enter your contact email right here. Once that is done, you are also going to enter your name right here. So once you enter all those details, you can see your phone number. So if you want, you can enter your phone number, but that is optional. Once you enter all the details, the next thing is that you are going to click on publish so that your ad will go live onto this platform. So just click on publish. Once you click on publish, you can see your ad has been published. So let me translate it to English for you to see. So just select English right here. As you can see right here, the ad has been published. So your ad is now live on the platform. So anytime you get people to view the ad, they are going to click through and then take the necessary action for you to make money on CPA Group. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.